Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of my absolute favourite morning routines, drinking apple cider vinegar and lemon water. You might have heard about this combo, but today I'm going to break down exactly why I drink it every single morning, how it's transformed my health, and how you can easily add it to your routine. It's more than just a wellness trend. It's packed with powerful benefits that can seriously boost your overall health and wellness. So, grab your water, apple cider vinegar, and lemons, and let's get into it. Let's start with lemons. Now, you may already know that lemons are a fantastic addition to your diet, but did you know just how incredible their health benefits truly are? Lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, which is crucial for so many bodily functions. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, meaning it helps to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. But that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the benefits of this bright and zesty fruit. So, why is vitamin C such a big deal? Well, it's known for boosting our immune system, which means your body is better equipped to fight off those annoying colds, flus, and infections. I don't know about you, but I'd rather prevent a sickness before it starts. Vitamin C is essential for the production of white blood cells. Those are your body's frontline defenders. It also helps wounds heal faster and keeps your skin looking radiant. Lemons also help increase levels of glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. Glutathione is critical for detoxifying the body and is heavily involved in protecting your cells from oxidative stress. This antioxidant is crucial for keeping your liver, brain, and kidneys functioning optimally. Plus, having more glutathione can even help your skin look healthier and more youthful. And speaking of the liver, lemons are a great protector. The antioxidants in lemons help shield the liver from damage. The liver works overtime to detoxify our bodies, especially when we consume things like processed foods, alcohol, or even environmental toxins. By adding lemon water to your morning routine, you're giving your liver the support it needs to stay healthy and efficient. Here's a fun fact. The citric acid in lemons helps reduce the risk of kidney stones. Kidney stones are caused by the buildup of certain compounds, including oxalates. Lemons contain citric acid, which binds to oxalates and helps flush them out, reducing the likelihood of stone formation. So, if kidney stones run in your family, or you're worried about them, this lemon water routine could be an easy way to prevent them. Last but not least, lemons have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a variety of health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Lemon's natural anti-inflammatory compounds help reduce inflammation throughout the body, supporting overall health and keeping you feeling your best. Now, let's talk about apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's often called. This liquid gold has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, and it's a staple in my daily routine. But what makes apple cider vinegar so special? Well, the key ingredient here is acetic acid. Acetic acid is what gives apple cider vinegar its signature tang, and it's also what makes it so effective at helping to suppress fat storage in the body. Studies have shown that acetic acid can increase the genes responsible for fat burning and reduce the ones responsible for fat storage. This is great news if you're looking to maintain a healthy weight or lose some extra pounds. Another fantastic benefit of apple cider vinegar is that it can improve insulin sensitivity. When we eat carbohydrates or sugars, our body releases insulin to help regulate our blood sugar. But over time, our cells can become resistant to insulin, which can lead to higher blood sugar levels, and eventually conditions like type 2 diabetes. Drinking ACV helps to increase your body's sensitivity to insulin, which means your blood sugar stays more stable throughout the day, reducing those energy crashes and sugar cravings. In fact, apple cider vinegar can help stabilize blood sugar levels even after a high-carb meal. Studies have shown that when consumed before a meal, ACV can reduce the blood sugar spike that usually follows. By keeping blood sugar stable, you can avoid that crash and burn feeling that sometimes happens after eating. Apple cider vinegar is also great for reducing fat in the liver. Fatty liver disease is becoming more common due to high-fat, high-sugar diets. ACV helps reduce liver fat by boosting metabolism and improving how your body breaks down fats. One of my favorite benefits of ACV is that it speeds up digestion. If you ever feel bloated or like your food is sitting heavy in your stomach, this drink can help get things moving. Acetic acid encourages your stomach to produce more acid, which helps break down food more efficiently. It's like giving your digestive system a little boost, so you feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. Apple cider vinegar also stimulates the liver to release bile. Bile is essential for digesting fats, and when your bile flow is optimized, it helps your body absorb important nutrients and eliminates toxins more efficiently. It's a small but crucial part of digestion that helps keep your whole system running smoothly. Last but not least, apple cider vinegar supports the pancreas by helping it release digestive enzymes. These enzymes are responsible for breaking down food so your body can absorb all the nutrients it needs. When your enzymes are functioning properly, it ensures that your body is making the most out of every bite of food you eat. Alright, now that you know all the amazing benefits, let's get into how I make my morning apple cider vinegar and lemon water. All you need is about 50 milliliters of lemon juice. Freshly squeezed is best, but if you're using bottled, make sure it's organic. Then add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Finally, top it off with about 450 milliliters of filtered or bottled water. As an added bonus, you can also include a pinch of Celtic sea salt for an extra mineral boost. And that's it. I drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and it's been an absolute game changer for my energy levels, digestion, and overall health. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more tips on living your healthiest life, and check out this next video right here on how to detox your liver naturally. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.